And I'm gonna also listen because I'm back here and it saves me a step. So I'm gonna listen to your lungs, listen to your breathing. So what I'm gonna ask you to do is from your mouth, big breaths. Very good. Keep going. In and out. And you're just gonna feel, I'm just gonna adjust your clothing so I can listen in this spot. And one last spot over here. Pardon my fingers. Very good. All right, and then at this point, I'm gonna listen to your heart. There are 4 spots on the chest that I like to listen to. What I'm gonna do actually to help me is I'm going to put this across your lap. There you go. And then I'm gonna just, when I need to listen under this spot. There we go. Keep the cover there. All right. So as I said, 4 spots, I'm gonna have a listen. So you can just breathe comfortably. Nothing special that you need to do. Just gonna lower the gown a little bit here. Have a listen here. And the last spot, I'm gonna come from under the gown here. And I'm just gonna move your clothing out of the way just a bit. Excellent. So heart sounds all just fine. Very good.